Hello and welcome to follow the MiccoGuitar YouTube channel. In this exercise, we will learn to play a guitar solo using the A minor pentatonic scale. For this exercise, it is good that the A minor pentatonic scale is already familiar, but it is not absolutely necessary. The goal of this exercise is to learn how to use the A minor pentatonic scale in practice. I will now tell you how to practice. Here is a tabulature with an 8-bar drill using the A minor pentatonic scale. The backing track takes 32 bars and the example solo takes 8 bars. The same 8 bars are played 4 times. That was a slow backing track, and now comes the fast backing track. Thank you for following the MiccoGuitar YouTube channel. See you again.